Rajasthan.
It was something that fell in place with the script. Because the script was based in Rajasthan, so it had to be Rajasthan. And Jaisalmer, because I had heard stories about the kids from Jaisalmer. So keeping that thing in mind, and it looked all grand.
Yeah, I love Rajasthan. I love the north side. I love North India. Not that I don't like South India, but for some strange reason, I feel more at home up north.
I always like shooting in Rajasthan. Rajasthan has got a very beautiful countryside, nice landscapes. I like the browns. It's a very beautiful place. Arid hai, desert, total desert, greenery nahi, but it has beauty of its own.
जैसलमेर बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट बिकॉज इट फिट इन आवर फिल्म, बट जहाँ पर भी शूटिंग करनी आप कर सकते हो. पूरा जैसलमेर खूबसूरत है.
Jaisalmer is like one big set. You climb up the fort, it looks like one big set. Like Gadisar Lake pe we made it the meeting point for Bobby and Nanne. Nanne's house, वही एक लोकेशन थी जो नहीं मिल रही थी. फिर जब मैं विनोद जी के साथ रेकी पे गया था, there we found Nanne's house and it was perfect. जो मैंने सोचा था, a courtyard जो खुला है, थोड़ा poor type, और फिर एक कैनन भी मिल गया अपने को. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वो कैनन इतना गर्म हो जाता था यार गर्मी में कि आदमी बैठ नहीं सकता था, उसको ठंडी बोरियां रखनी पड़ती थी बिकॉज इट वाज मेटल ना.
Everything was fine, except for one thing. वो था heat. Shooting in the month of May in such hot condition, that was a little bit of a problem for me. Otherwise, it was really nice and lovely.
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है शूट करना क्योंकि धूप बहुत होती है, रेत गर्म हो जाती है, काफ़ी गर्म हो जाती है, प्यास बहुत लगती है और रात को सडनली ठंडा हो जाता है. बीच बीच में सैंडस्टॉर्म आते हैं, बट इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
I mean, people think that filmmaking is easy, but I think now with all the media and everything, people actually go where people are shooting, so they know exactly what's happening. It's not a piece of cake. When you're working in this desert, you have to eat the sand.
Working with the people in Rajasthan was also very comfortable. See, I've studied in a school in Rajasthan, so I love that place.
I think it's the weather, it's the people, it's the food. I like it completely. What more do I say?
When we decided the look with Binod ji, it was a very crisp, warm tone look for the whole film. And to tell you the truth, warm, cold, this, that, but when Binod Pradhan sits on the camera, mind blowing.
In Nanne Jaisalmer, I wanted to keep everything very warm.
Like normal, however it is.
No, not however, it's a little warmer than that. So because Rajasthan normally it's got sand, right? So इसके लिए instead of having too many bluish colors in terms of colors, I wanted to make everything more orange. So if you see the film, you know, your face and all also looks a little more orange than the normal film that you get to see.
माँ, इतना बड़ा जैसलमेर, इतने सारे बच्चे, तो ये सोच, उसने मुझे क्यों दोस्त चुना? आपका सबसे फेवरेट सीन?
After Jija tells you कि दोस्त आ रहा है, you run. और मुझे अभी भी याद है लाइट जा रही थी और वो जो किले का एकदम ये एज है उसके ऊपर कोई रैंप नहीं था क्योंकि रैंप बना नहीं सकते थे वरना वो फ्रेम में आ जाएगा बिकॉज इट्स अ टॉपेस्ट शॉट एंड यू हैड रन एंड विनोद जी वर शाउटिंग रन नन्ने रन एंड आई वाज लाइक सर इट्स डेंजरस शट अप लेट हिम डू इट नन्ने रन एंड यू रैन एंड सेड मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है तुझे लगता है वो आएगा पक्का आएगा मुझसे मिलने आएगा ये मेरा विश्वास है
ये मेरा विश्वास है
That was the best scene because the whole film is based on that also. Belief, Vishwas.
I'll tell you the scene that touched me when I was when we were shooting. And that was the time तुम्हारे हाथ में लिखा था ना और मैं उससे भी बड़ा गधा. उसमें you were crying over there. And then you were supposed to cry. Then you cried. Then after that we put glycerin in your eyes. Then again you cried. And after that your eyes started hurting.
Yeah, then I started really
Then you
crying.
started really crying. And somebody said, you'll give me a shot in that? You said, yeah, I'll give that shot. I was so touched after that. I put off the camera, I couldn't speak to anybody. I just turned the other way and I was feeling very... Emotionally, I was a little unsettled.
मैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.